Hi everybody, Chris Bradley with your Thursday Weather Geek Report. We almost made it to the weekend. I think you're going to like what's on the way. But I'm going to answer the question I've been hearing so much. Where is spring? Well, we are stuck in a weather pattern called an omega block. It's after the Greek symbol omega. And right here you can see, right in the middle part of the country, all that red, well, that's where we have a big ridge of high pressure. So we have a trough out west, a ridge in the nation's midsection, and then back our way, a trough. Now where you have a trough, particularly the center of the trough, oh boy, you have rain and cooler weather. Same thing out west. This is where we have all the warm weather. It's moving all the way up towards the Canadian line. Now maybe you've seen some of the pictures of that big wildfire that's going on. Well, this is actually making that worse, aggravating the situation. Let me show you. I'm going to help you because you may not be able to see these temperatures on your phone real well, but right up here, these temperatures are around 90 degrees as you get up here towards the Canadian line. So this gives you an idea of how extremely warm it is, and that's where our warm weather is. It's certainly not back here in Ohio where we've been struggling to make it up over the 50-degree mark, although I think we're going to see some improvement here over the next couple hours. Hey, one thing that would help is if we saw some sunshine. I know a lot of you wondering, where is the sun? We've had clouds and kind of dreary weather. Well, this is the satellite tonight, and we're going to look at the HRRR, the high resolution model, showing the satellite, what it should look like tomorrow. And this is very nice. So I do think we're going to see high pressure building in. That means I get to do this. I get to put the old sun symbol out because I think it's going to be a nice sunny day. And that is going to allow temperatures to warm up. I think we're going to be up over 70 degrees tomorrow. Let's get over and show you the long range outlook. I think the model's struggling a little bit tomorrow. I think it'll be maybe a degree or two warmer than where we are. And then I'm afraid it may be going a little too warm on the day Saturday, just because I am going to bring some showers in. But you kind of get the idea. We are going to be getting closer to average, if not a little bit above average, to start the weekend. And then after that, a cold front comes through and we cool down just a little bit for the end of the weekend, for Mother's Day and for Monday. So let's go through the surface maps, beginning here first with what I'm seeing here for Friday, and that is clearing skies, big area of high pressure. The high is centered right at the Missouri-Arkansas line, but it's a pretty decent high, and it clears out a large part of the middle part of the country. But as we get into Saturday, we start to see the clouds coming in. There will be some showers late, and the reason is there's a cold front, and the cold front is right back here. All right, and it drops down into Ohio. The timing still a little uncertain, but we're getting a little better idea, and I'll show you the high resolution model in a second. Let me give you kind of the wider view of your Saturday night. And here we are looking at showers across Indiana, Ohio, into Pennsylvania, right along that front. Now we can look out ahead. This is the WRF computer model, and we see midday to early afternoon, some shower and maybe some thunderstorm activity building here across central and particularly east central Ohio. So it's just going to depend on the timing of that front. If you have plans Saturday, the morning looks great. Early afternoon, you're probably okay. The closer you get towards the dinner hour, you're going to run into this. And as you see here, we're actually looking at some thunderstorms here that could fire just east of Columbus. So we'll monitor this. Again, this would be Saturday afternoon. If there's some bright spot or some good news in this forecast, it is that the front is speeding up a little bit. It should be clearing us by Sunday, so Mother's Day will be partly to mostly sunny, a little cooler, with temperatures in the upper 60s, right around 68 degrees. That's your Weather Geek Report. I'll look for you on 10 TV at 5, 5:30, 6, and 11. Look for the next Weather Geek Report Friday morning at 7 a.m. Have a good one, everybody.